There's now a new online tool that paints a little better picture of the drug epidemic, not only here in Indiana, but also beyond.
The Indiana Committee to Combat Drug Abuse launched an online heat map. It shows areas where naloxone has been administered. Now here's a look at EMS runs and overdoses just this year. You can see a high concentration in the downtown area, near the jail, homeless shelter, and Central Library. There's also a large hotspot on the east side around 10th and Emerson. Now the goal is to get help where it's needed the most.
This map now allows individuals to really have evidence to show where these administrations are occurring, not just for those individuals, but maybe programming, community programs out there so they can help in their communities and the like.
Now the locations are approximate to help protect privacy, but we have put a link to this heat map on our website, WTHR.com.